Hello everyone. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me in this platform to talk about the coinage of Swargadeo Rajeshwar Singha. So before looking forward, let me introduce myself. It's Arindam Saikia here. I am from Tinsukia, Assam. I have great interest in collection of ancient coins from very early stage of my life. The theme of my collection is basically Mughal coinage, the ancient Panchmark kingdom. I have gone through and also the medieval Ahom kingdom's coin. I have gone through the collection of O.P. Gattani, the famous numismatic personality of Assam. I inspired by seeing that the prosperous collection mainly Ahom coins. Let me talk about Swargadeo Rajeshwar Singha before starting the topic, the great Ahom king of Assam. The fourth son of Rudra Singha became the king of Ahom kingdom after the death of his brother king Pramatta Singha. After ascending the throne, he assumed the Hindu name Rajeshwar Singha and Ahom name Suremfa. Rudra Singha's third son Mohanmala Barjana Gohai forfeited his claim to the throne as he was physically unfit. He was pitted with smallpox. First act of Rajeshwar Singha was to exile his brother Barjana Gohai to Namrup. His next step was, according to advice of the Hindu astrologers, Rajeshwar Singha made his capital at Rampur. Rajeshwar Singha was a strict Hindu. He erected many temples and gave much land to the Brahmins. Soon after his accession, he paid a long visit to Guwahati to worship at the various temples there. He took initiation from a relative of the Parvatiya Gohai known as Nati Gohai and gave him a temple at Pandunath. Rajeshwar Singha was a patron of learned men and scholars. In his reign, the Manas was the Ahom boundary on the north of the Brahmaputra. South of that river, it was 21 miles further east. The coinage of Rajeshwar Singha. Let us talk about the coinage of Rajeshwar Singha. Rajeshwar Singha experimented different forms of coins almost throughout his reign. In addition to the ordinary octagonal coins in Assamese script, he struck in the first year of his reign octagonal coins in the Ahom script. He also issued square coins in Assamese script. Besides, he issued octagonal coins with Nagari inscription in 1675 Saka and at least 2 issues of coins with Persian script were also struck, a square issue in 1675 Saka and an octagonal issue in 1685. It may be noted here that in a large number of coins of Rajeshwar Singha, an allegiance to Maheshwari in place of Hara and Gauri is also mentioned. The Persian coin, which bear close similarity to some Agra issue of Jahangir, bear similar couplet. Rajeshwar Singha followed the coinage system established by his brother, striking coins with all Ahom legend at his installation ceremony. The Ahom coin again bear the name of Pha Langdon. Gold coins become much more available during this reign, although they always struck using the same dies that were used for some type of silver coins. Another innovation was the issue of minor denomination, namely the 1/8 that is called Admoha and the 1/16 rupee that is called Soyrati and 1 rupee called Rajmohari. So let's check the two very beautiful coins of Swargadeo Rajeshwar Singha. This is a 1 rupee silver coin of Swargadeo Rajeshwar Singha, and the weight of this concerned coin is 11.46 gram and there is a legend written on it in Sanskrit language in Assamese script, that is Sri Sri Swargadeva Sri Rajeshwar Kingho Nripasya Sake 1690 in reverse side, and in overside there is a Sanskrit legend written in Assamese script is Sri Sri Haragauri Charana Kamala Makaranda Madhukarasya. This 1 rupee silver coin is called as a Rajmohuri. I have one more silver coin of Swargadeva Rajeshwar Kingho. This type of coin is called as 1/4 rupee coin, and in Assamese it is called as Hiki. And there is a Sanskrit legend written on it, Sri Sri Rajeshwar Kingho Nripasya in reverse side in Assamese script, and overside Shake 1679 in Assamese script. So thank you guys for joining us.